Hi, welcome back to fourth video of chapter 4. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about computing ethics and plagiarism. Previous class I explained about the disadvantages of internet, cybercrime, spams, pornography, never being able to disconnect. And now let us discuss one by what is the computing ethics. Ethics means custom, habit. You know. So computing ethics related to computer when you work on computer. So some of the computer ethics we will discuss. Don't use the computer to harm other people data. You must not use a computer to harm the other people data. Okay. So don't use a computer to cause interference to other work. It's very important when you are someone is working. Computer don't interference to other people work. Don't spy other person's personal data. So if someone is working, if also some spywares, you can see them. If you without knowing you, someone trying to connect with your computer, still some information, some important information. So don't spy on other personal data. Next one is don't use the technology to steal personal information. Various technology used nowadays to steal the informations and give the information of other computers. And this way they can steal the personal information. Another one, don't spread misinformation using the computer technologies. Misinformation should not be. Next, don't use the software unless you pay for this software. Software piracy discussed in phase. Software piracy when you have it happens when you are just going to uh, a copy of the game or the software from your relative or your friends. So don't use the software unless you pay for this software without the license. Don't use someone else's computer resources unless authorized to use them. He authorized without any information. Don't work on any other computer unless he authorized to use it. Next one, it is wrong to claim ownership of work that is output of someone else's intellect. So it is don't use the other work. It is someone else intellect. It is wrong. Right. So always think about the social consequences of the program you are writing or the system you designing. And next one is a very important point, that is plagiarism. What is the plagiarism? Plagiarism is using another person's words or ideas and trying to pass them off as your own work or idea. For example, when you have given a project, when you are working on a project and copied the content from the internet and you just show that this is your work. So this is the plagiarism. Because sometimes you don't have enough time to do this that particular we're just going to the internet and just search that particular item, and due to the lack of time you just use some other works and write your name as you have done this work. also some of the what happens if the lack of experience, you can say some people are just going to use the another words, another works without even knowing it. And so you can say the lack of experience this can be. And also some people are use the another plagiarize on purpose. They know clearly you're going to do this is the easiest, and you think this is the easiest way to just do a piece of work that nobody will ever notice. And this is also plagiarism. This is also example of plagiarism. So we must prevent. How can we prevent the plagiarism? Must follow the some of the important steps. How to you must when you are going to copy, you must write down the name. Yes, it is called you have taken from the here shows. When you're going to write down the quotes of some of the popular person, just write down is by written by this. And that case, you can just one must either cite source of your work and give credit to the original person. Don't write your name. It is done by me, or if you have copied that a particular item from the internet. So it is better to when you have when you know that it's tagging, then don't use take the credit which you did not you know which you have not done in that case. And this way we can avoid the hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video, and bye for